Hello students, good morning. Here I am going to teach you class ninth geography topic India size and location. Hope you will enjoy this. So before here I have written some key points of this chapter. Before introducing these key points, I would like to tell you more about India. India is a vast country as you know very well. Okay, it has achieved multi uh, socio progress in the field of agriculture, science and technology in last 15 decades. Okay, it was done. Okay, due to cooperation. Okay, due to good education system. Okay, and due to cooperation of Indians. Okay, so that is why India's position is existing in the world in a very unique way. Okay, so here I would like to tell you more about location, size, okay, land boundary, and uh, coastline length, okay, and about India's standard meridian one by one. Okay, so focus on subtopics. First of all, location. So India lies in the northern hemisphere. So you know very well about equator is at 0 degree. It is an imagined line which divides the earth into two equal halves, northern hemisphere and southern hemisphere. This we have, you know this is a book. Okay, this is a map of world. So this is 0 degree. Okay, so 0 degree means equator. Okay, so this is northern hemisphere and this is southern hemisphere. So look at here. So India lies in the northern hemisphere. Okay, then it's a southern eastern and southern western part. Southern eastern means, okay, this we have practiced in the junior classes. Clear? So southern eastern and southern western part is surrounded by the island group such as Andaman Nicobar and Lakshadweep Island. Okay, and also surrounded by the water bodies such as Bay of Bengal and Arabian Sea. Clear? So this is the first subtopic. Next is size. Okay. So before beginning the size of India, I would like to tell you. I left one thing, that is I haven't taught you about this longitudinal and latitudinal extent. Sorry. So they are also the part of the location. Okay, so latitudinal extent of India is 8 degree north to 37 degree 6 north. Clear? And longitudinal extent of India is 68 degree 7 east to 97 degree east. That I have written here. Okay, clear? So this is all about this location. And next subtopic is size. Okay, so India's size means its geographical area. Okay. So India's geographical area is 3.28 million square kilometer. Okay. And its contribution in the world in the geographical area is just 2.4%. Alright. Then India's land boundaries, length is 15,200 kilometer. 15,200 kilometer. Okay. Then length of the coastline. Length of the coast. Here I have written LCL. The short form, full form are. Length of coastline of India is 7,516.6 kilometer. These are the most important question. You may underline. 82 and half degree has been selected as the center meridian of India. Okay. So because why it has been selected as center meridian of India? Because it passes through the center of the country. Okay. Through Mirzapur, UP. Okay. Next is latitudinal extent. Here I have written latitudinal extent influences the duration of day and night as we move from south to north. Okay, in the junior classes we have read about, you might have read this, these cardinal directions such as north, south, east, west. Okay, as we move from south to north, okay, the duration of time, okay, varies. So that is why there is a, duration of day and night, okay, difference found in the, Kanyakumari, that is in Tamil Nadu, and Srinagar, okay, Kashmir, okay, that is in north. Okay, so next question for you is, why there is a time difference of 2 hours between Gujarat and Arunachal Pradesh? Very important question for you. Okay, sorry. So first of all, I have solved this question in numerical way. Okay, not in a, words or in points. Clear? So first of all, you can take longitudinal extent of India, that is 68 degree 7 east to 97 degree 25 east. This is clear to you? Alright. So subtract 90, this is the bigger value. Okay, so we will take this top, at the top, and we'll take this 68 degree 7 east at the bottom. Clear? So we can subtract 97 degree 25 east from 68 degree 7 east. Alright, as I have mentioned here. Clear? So you will get 29 degree 18 east. Okay, so we will take it round figure, in a round figure, that is approximate 30 degree. Clear? If 1 degree value is 4 minutes, alright, 1 degree value is 4 minutes. Okay, then 30 degree value will be 30 degree multiplied by 4, you will get 120 minutes. Alright, so if, so you can also convert in a hour. So 1 hour equal to 120 minutes divided by 60, you will get 2 hour approximately. Okay, so this is the end of this first part of this chapter, which has been discussed, okay, with you. So thank you very much. So tomorrow I will upload next video. Bye.